Hi guys, so today we have an unboxing of Japanese candy. The first thing I will say is that it did not come in a box. It came in a bag. And it looks...
ratchet bag.
As she said, a ratchet bag. And it not only has candy, but it also has like a bunch of savory snacks. So what we're going to do today is we're going to taste them and see if we like them. So I will try... This looks like it's Trix.
Looks like animal crackers.
So I will try this. And what will you try?
This.
What does this look like? What does yours look like? Look like popcorn. Oh, mine looks similar to yours, except it's a little round guy. All right, let's
Mine's
see.
a little cheese puff.
1, 2, 3.
Mine's actually good.
This is kind of
Ooh, never mind.
sweet and salty. So, a little savory. Is this even showing me? Let's see. All right. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Let me taste yours. Was it salty?
I don't know. It didn't taste like anything.
Oh. This is just a salty type of snack. I actually like it.
I like that at first.
Oh.
Ew. I'm good.
I like this snack. All right, what do you want to try next?
I'm going to try this. I want to try the white one.
I will try this. It looks like a little marshmallow candy.
I'm going to try this.
No idea what that is.
Ooh.
What is that?
Cheese.
Marshmallow.
I'm putting this stuff down, girl. I'm not carrying it.
Good? What does it taste like?
Cheetos.
Sorry, she got me carrying it.
A marshmallow?
Ooh. It's candy.
I was going to give it to her.
All right.
You didn't taste it.
Oh,
Might be hot.
Ooh.
she may like this one, but I don't.
I do. Don't you like cheese?
I just don't like it. All right. What are you going to try next?
Just cookie thing. Cracker.
Let's see. Let's get a little closer.
I don't want to sit.
My other granddaughter's out here, so in case you hear it. Well, I'll leave this one for you because it says chocolate cream and I don't do chocolate. It actually has in English on this one. It says chocolate cream.
You sit there.
Chocolate cream. I'm going to try.
It's hot.
I'm scared because this package looks kind of. Look at this package, and inside of it, it just looks very. I don't know.
Suspicious.
Yes,
What's that little
suspicious.
cookie? Is it green tea?
That's marshmallow.
This actually smells like a fig.
It tastes like a rice
She don't
cake.
got no more marshmallow?
I don't know.
Corn cake. Yeah, rice cake.
I think.
What
What
is that?
is this? It smells like a fig, though.
Was it hard?
I don't know what this
I don't
is,
want it.
but this, whatever this was gross.
It does smell figgy.
All right.
Eat it.
She said eat it.
Don't eat
What
all
does
of
it taste? She said don't eat all of it. Oh,
Want some candy?
crisp.
Take a wafer.
That was actually pretty good. That's why she doesn't want
I
to give
want
it
this
up.
one.
Okay.
Can I have this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find
You
something
want to sit over there?
that Kenzie might enjoy.
What? Yeah, it's hot over here. That's why I didn't want you to sit
Okay,
here.
I don't know what else. But we have so much stuff to go through here.
Just
what's
dump
it?
it off. Dump it off.
Where's the napkin?
All right.
We got a sticker. Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sticker.
What
Now
is
what?
this? Look, this looks like a little gummy.
Mm.
And it says cider. But it's
Apple
shaped like a
cider.
soda.
Okay.
This one? This one?
Guess it's like a little cider in a mug.
I gotta get over there.
Ooh.
Let's see. What is that?
Okay.
A banana slug.
Maybe spiders. I mean, not spiders.
Oh, this is delicious.
It's too big. Nowhere.
What's that ant?
Got
Nowhere.
chocolate in it.
I don't think it's
There you go.
What's that ant?
It's
I
banana
don't see
and
it.
chocolate.
Yeah.
Not good.
Yeah.
That's what she's talking about. It has like a little center
Oh, yeah, it
in
might
it.
get dirty. It's dirty
Of
in
chocolate. It's like marshmallow with a little...
Tina?
there. Yeah, I clean it.
You ate the whole thing?
I put here?
Yes, you did.
Cleaner here than there.
All right.
I put it right there.
What's next? You want to try a little... This looks like a little juice.
What the hell?
Ooh.
You want to try this?
See one?
Is this a...
Sure.
I'm afraid of this one.
I'm
This
scared
one
of
looks like...
too.
This looks like a jelly.
Ooh.
All right. Next we have... I don't know what these are. Pharmaceuticals.
What is it?
Hurry up and choose one.
Oh, okay. I need to.
Whoop. Let's see. So let's see. This is a little tiny candy.
Put that little video.
This is probably delicious,
Okay.
This is probably
but
delicious.
it's chocolate.
Oh, gotcha.
I will let Layla tell you what this tastes like. I need to clean
Oh,
my
what's
mouth.
that? Is that like a juice? Oh.
Was it good? Evidently it is. Show the camera. So cute.
Oh.
Is it grape?
All right. What's next for me?
You?
I don't know. I'm trying to find something that, if I don't like it,
This one's
cancel.
definitely
Oh,
chocolate.
look at this.
That's a...
I look like little potato sticks.
It does, like little French fries.
I'm scared.
Oh, look, they got a
So
butterscotch.
here's the little snack.
We both can choose this.
Look at this.
Hey, what is
Smell
that?
like fish.
Get one?
Ew. There's actually a fish on the package.
It tastes like fish.
Is that gummies?
Is it gum?
What's that gummies?
Blech.
What's that gummies?
That tastes like literal fish.
What's that gummies?
All right, what's the next
That
one?
one, this one looks
We're
like
gonna
it
handle
tastes like
gummies.
fish too. Look at it.
Oh, this is the same one you had before. The little sticky.
No, it's different
This
though.
is different?
That one was white.
All right, so this is another one of those sticks that Layla tried.
Didn't the
Is it fishy?
Dried fruit?
Mawa. I want Mawa.
Is it fishy?
A Mawa!
Taste it.
A mirror.
What is it? Is it fig again?
It's like
No,
sweet
taste it.
and
It's
salty. All right, so
WTF?
let's see this one.
WTF. Ooh, I want to taste this one.
Ugh. Blech. I think this one's gonna be good.
Got
Oh,
this.
give me that.
That look like chicle.
No.
I think it's chicle.
That
I
was
don't
a
know.
part of my pile.
Oh,
Sorry, I'm being nosy. I'm like, look at this.
I don't think it's chicle. I think it's chocolate.
Oh.
What is
Oh. It's like the cow, the milk. Remember them cow tails? It might be one like one of them.
Ew, what
this?
is it?
Smells of
Chalk.
Talk.
Layla just went straight for it. Is it
Is
gum?
Tastes like Coca-Cola. Ooh, no, I don't.
This one right here, it tastes a little like detergent. It's gum. All right, what's next? Crackers. Did you show the package, or are you just doing this all half butted?
I want it.
That says chocolate. I don't want it.
Chocolate. This tastes like a cracker. I can't taste
Candy.
the chocolate.
I'm gonna try this one. This one says stick lipstick.
I like chocolate.
I'm gonna try this one. It says Choco Snack.
Choco snack?
I like it.
Like chocolate?
Choco.
It's a lollipop.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Give me.
Always get the nasty snacks.
This is delicious.
This looks like doo-doo.
My
This one.
my
I
granddaughter
have
is.
Let me
Nope.
taste it.
Oh my gosh! On the video though, look, my granddaughter's having it. All right, it's delicious. It's good. That one was actually really good. What do we have left?
That's on my list.
All right, we have. Was that good? You're gonna be full in a mug. I'm gonna look at everything carefully now because I'm not trying to have a fish situation. So let's take a peek. We're making a mess here with all of this rubbish. Rubbish!
I'm gonna taste this.
What was this?
This little candy right here.
Hey, wash
It doesn't
my
taste
hands.
good.
It doesn't smell like it tastes good.
Let me wash-
I think this is gum.
let me wash my-
Stop.
Oh, thank you.
Can you show the cat tonight, Gummy?
You like it?
Cover me.
It's very tart.
Hello.
I don't know. It tastes like old-fashioned gum with tart lemon. Taste it. All right, what else we have here? Well, I will say something about this bag. There aren't any duplicates, except for we had some 2 pieces of butterscotch.
I'm gonna taste this.
I didn't have any other duplicates so far that I've
Put
seen.
my shoes off. Put my shoes off. Oh,
1 second.
I'm
baby.
gonna taste
put
this
my shoes
strip.
off.
All right. And I'm going to try this one. It evidently has, they made sure they let you know about the calories though. Everything else is not in English about that calorie, however. What is it? It sounds, oh, oh. These are little tiny candies.
Baby,
It's like, I don't even know if you can see it.
It's sour.
This is like,
Sweet.
hold on a
I like
second.
this one. With the
It's
red
sort of like
You want it?
little tiny
hair.
candies and shards of glass.
Can't see it.
I don't know if you can see in there.
Let me see up.
Just put it on the table. You can't eat it anymore if you drop it on the floor.
Oh gosh. This is disgusting. I'm sorry. I guess it's all acquired taste
Put it in here.
because some people like stuff that we may not like and they're raised on different types of stuff.
Put it away for me.
Probably a delicacy.
I want
There you go.
chocolate. I want chocolate.
This is very sour.
This was from before, which I'm gonna finish because it's good. Tastes like a Cheeto.
Here. All right. We have very few candies left or snackies left.
Is that cat?
Eat this.
We're making a
It
mess.
looks sour.
here. I'm going to try this one. Evidently, it's flavored of rabbits.
I like all them. I
Rabbit
like
flavor.
all them.
Oh, a dipping stick. This is sort of like
Without the
little,
dipping powder.
I like a stuff.
almost like cotton candy. These are kind of good. They're melt in your mouth, not in your hands type situation. We have these little cookies. Oops, mine is broken.
Coconut, I don't know.
Oh,
She's pretty.
little cookie.
This
This is not coconut. This is lemon. I ain't mad at it. Nice and flaky.
I'm gonna eat this
I get
Johnny
it.
Crocker.
I want to give away the
Crocker.
red.
Yeah.
What am I doing? I cannot see.
Oh,
It's good.
I have this bag here, and they sort of look like little crispy type nuggets.
She's singing.
Oh, look.
These are good.
Elsa, Nina, Ola.
They taste sort of like bugles.
Who?
Seven,
Bugles.
Matthias,
It's a,
little Elsa.
it's a tasty snack. I don't think you've ever tasted.
What's his name? The water.
Yeah, all right.
The waterman. Earth giant.
Bread.
All we have left is 2 butterscotches, which we're not going to show you
And
because
this.
you guys know what butterscotch is like.
Okay.
And this little creamy thing.
Oh, and this.
I want my.
This looks suspicious.
This one. What I want
Oh, it smells so good though.
It's grape flavored, isn't it?
Was me.
Looked like the cover was grape.
Yeah, it's grapes.
She's crying.
Oh my gosh, that's a sugar rush.
That's disgusting.
She's crying.
She slurped that whole thing up. Obviously, it was delicious.
Stop.
All right, this is the last thing we have.
Savory.
It looks like noodles.
Looks like
Yeah, that's
noodles.
like something about it looks savory-ish.
Hurry
Dry noodles.
It's ramen.
to the foot close.
They're good?
Ooh.
She was like, like she wasn't sure.
The first bite is deceiving. You know what it tastes like?
It's disgusting, but it's good at the same time.
My daughter would like these because they taste like burnt chips.
You are her daughter.
I do like burnt chips.
Are you enjoying that? All right. That's all for the tasting of the Japanese snacks.
Yeah.
That's good.
And sorry for all the noise. Everybody and their mother wanted to be out here. I only expected to be me and my granddaughter, but my other granddaughter wanted to be outside. So, all right,
Did.
that's it. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.